In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete review on Booking.com. Before we begin, it's important to set expectations. In most cases, you cannot directly delete a review on Booking.com yourself. Reviews are only removed by Booking.com if they violate the platform's guidelines. What you can do is submit a request to their support team and ask them to investigate. Start by signing in to Booking.com using the account associated with the reservation in question. Being logged in helps support find your booking faster and verify that you're the right person to raise the issue. Once you're in, head to the Help Center or Support section. If you're using the app, this is usually found in the menu. On desktop, look for Help Center in the footer or Account area. In the Help Center, choose the Hotels category and then select something else to open up the broader contact options. Next, click Contact Options and then choose Message Customer Service. This is the channel you'll use to send a written request that a review be reviewed for removal. In your message, include 3 key pieces of information. First, provide your booking number so the team can locate the exact stay tied to the review. Second, share the review details, such as the date it was posted, the reviewer display name if available, and a brief quote or summary of the content. Third, clearly explain your reason for removal. Focus on how the review violates Booking.com's rules. For example, if it contains hate speech or threats, discloses personal contact information, includes profanity or discriminatory language, is clearly unrelated to the actual stay, or appears fake or incentivized. Be concise, factual, and polite. If you have supporting evidence, like a screenshot of the review or a link to it within your account, mention that you can provide it. After you've written your message, submit the request. You'll receive a confirmation that your case has been opened. Booking.com's team will review the content against their guidelines and make a decision. Processing times can vary, so give it a little time. Keep an eye on your inbox and your Booking.com messages in case they ask for clarification. Remember, even with a well-documented request, removal isn't guaranteed if the review doesn't break the rules. The goal is to present a clear, guideline-based reason so support can act if appropriate. And that's the full process. Sign in, go to Help Center, choose Hotels and something else, open Contact Options, message customer service with your booking number, review details and reason for removal, then submit and wait for their response.